Hello, my friends. Look at these beautiful fruits. Oh no, they're all disappearing. Let's find them together. 3 cups of magic sand. And look, a toy knife. Let's start cutting. Let's try the brown one first. Carefully cutting. Nothing inside. Okay, let's try the blue one. Still nothing. Where is the fruit? Now the yellow one. Let's dig in. Wait, what's that? It's a banana. Yay! Let's put the banana back in its place. Maybe here? Oh no, that's not right. How about here? Yes, that's it. Great job. It's a candy cart. How cute! Look, what's that? So many colorful candies.
Hey, can I have a donut, please?
Huh, what was that? Wow, a peach just appeared. Let's put the peach in the puzzle. Right here. Yes, that's the perfect spot. Look, here's the cashier. Now we're at the checkout. Card reader and the scanner. Ready to go. Here's a shopping cart with 2 items. Let's scan them. That will be $8. Let's pay with a card. Tap, all done. Here comes the next customer. 2 more items. Let's scan again. This time it's $9. Oh, they're paying with cash. A $20 bill. Let's open the cash drawer to get some change. It's a pear, a fruit inside the drawer. Wow! Let's take the pear back to the puzzle. Maybe here? Nope, not there. How about here? Yes, that's the right spot. Fruits and veggies. Grapes, pepper, watermelon, strawberry, corn, and a carrot. Let's start cutting. Let's cut the carrot. Now the corn. Ready, slice. Time for the watermelon. Wow, what's that? It's a watermelon piece for the puzzle. Let's put it in the puzzle right away. Right here? Yes. Perfect fit. A wardrobe. Look at all these colorful clothes. Let's press the button. Look, a yellow dress. So pretty. Now a pink jumpsuit. So cute! A pink dress! A white dress! Nice and bright! A purple dress! Magical! And now, the red dress. Wait, what's that? A strawberry. Let's put the strawberry in the puzzle. Right here. Yes, first try. Look, a camper van. Let's see what's inside. Open it up. So many things. Let's build the swing. The swing is ready. Wait, look at our friend swinging. Huh, what's that in the back? It's an orange. Let's take it. Time to place the orange in the puzzle. Maybe here? Nope, not there. How about here? Yes, you got it. Here comes the popcorn cart. Let's make some popcorn. Into the bucket it goes.
Can I have some popcorn, please?
Of course. Here you go. Wait, what's that? A lemon. That's a surprise. Let's place the lemon in the puzzle. Right here. Yes! First try again. Well done! Now it's Monster Tic-tac-toe. Let's play and try to win. Yay! We won the game! Look, something's under the monster. It's grapes, another fruit. Let's add the grapes to the puzzle. We did it! See you next time.